Master data is data about your business stored within IT systems. For example, employees, accounts, customers and other critical entities that are relevant to your organization. Flex MDM Studio gives users increased visibility and control over master data, reducing reliance on the IT department. It allows business users of all skill levels to manage master data directly from their desktop without engaging IT resources. So business processes can be run faster, and with greater accuracy. This demonstration will use MDM Studio to inspect and modify master data within the AdventureWorks, SQL Server Analysis Services, Multidimensional Database, or Cube. I will start by showing you data from the AdventureWorks Cube, in a simple Excel report. I insert a pivot table. I connect to the AdventureWorks, Multidimensional Database. From the available fields, I select the accounts hierarchy, the organization's hierarchy, and the amount. As a business user, I can use Excel to slice and dice the data within the cube, to gain powerful insights into the data. I navigate down through the organization hierarchy and see the total amount for each member. I can also navigate down through the accounts hierarchy. The dimension hierarchies available to me for slicing the data are fixed. Typically, if a business user requires a change to a dimension hierarchy, they would need to engage IT resources. With Flex MDM Studio, business users take control. Let's open MDM Studio, and connect to the analysis server where the AdventureWorks Analysis Services database is deployed. MDM Studio requires no configuration, just point it at your Analysis Services database, and get started. I expand the AdventureWorks cube. We can see all of the dimensions associated with the cube. I will select the date dimension. The drop-down list shows the hierarchies available. I will inspect the fiscal hierarchy. This is an example of a regular hierarchy. As we navigate down, we can see each of the levels defined, and the depth of the hierarchy. We can see the member properties. For regular hierarchies, the member properties may differ between levels. Some member properties are grayed out or read-only, and some are available for modification. By comparison, if we look at the organization's hierarchy, which is a parent-child hierarchy, we can see the variable depth of the leaf members. The member properties are the same for each level, and children can be added at any level within the hierarchy. I will now flatten out the organization structure for USA operations. I will select the leaf level members and move them up to be direct descendants of USA operations. I can then delete the members, Central, East and West. I click Save, and my changes will be applied. I will now inspect the account dimension. I select the accounts hierarchy, which is also a parent-child hierarchy. Again, we can see the variable depth of the leaf members. Member properties are the same for all levels. If we examine the member properties, we can see basic attributes, such as name, type, and number, as well as more advanced member properties, custom roll-up and unary operator. Let's now add a new member with a custom roll-up defined. I will add a member under Statistical Accounts, and it will be used to show the average unit price. This can be calculated by dividing the net sales by the units. To do this, I insert a custom roll-up as shown, and populate the remaining member properties with appropriate values. Once I have made the changes I wish to make, I click Save, and my changes will be applied. Let's now see what this looks like in the cube. I return to my pivot table Excel report. I will refresh the data. We see the members under USA operations change to the new flat structure. Also, if we expand statistical accounts, the new member average unit price is visible. If we look at the data, we can see that this is equal to the net sales divided by the units. As we have seen, Flex MDM Studio allows business users to regain control of their master data. This leads to improved insights into the data and the potential for deeper and more targeted analysis. For more information, please contact us at 1-800-816-4850 or info@altius-usa.com.